Nicholas.
Hi guys. What you doing?
What you doing? It's traditional Thai foods?
Yes.
Can I see?
She to help us to do something traditional. And
Really traditional Thai foods.
It's possible, but I still don't know what we get in the finish.
Okay.
We try to cook something.
Also
We
here.
do
It's carrots.
carrots, but also we have fish with this platter.
Letta fish.
Yeah.
Okay. Nicholas cook fish. No, good.
Lady washing.
Oh, very clean now.
It's the same one you want me.
He from Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Speak
What?
Khmer.
What? Siem Reap.
You can speak.
Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh.
One my friend live in Cambodia. He can speak in Cambodian language, but he don't want in the video. That's why I not show him.
Nice to meet you.
I watched 3 times.
Yeah. Buriram United.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Then baby come, yes?
Yes.
But when between this process, from egg and embryo, they stopping, they make hot,
Yeah.
like hot water or something, and eating.
Thailand.
But you understand? What
Yes, I understand.
The Philippines is very popular food.
Only Philippine, Cambodia.
You mean balut?
Balut.
Balut.
Yeah.
In the Thailand don't have balut? Balut.
Like what I say,
It's a duck egg.
or chicken.
Yes.
Have also balut?
Have.
And people eating.
Thailand.
What is that?
Thailand. Thailand.
Kailam.
Thailand.
Kailam.
Thailand.
Kailam. Bring me tomorrow. Two.
No, in here no have I think. Thailand. Thailand.
They know.
So in the Thailand have same balut.
They
Different
like
name
not
only.
Traditional,
Have.
but they know.
Yes, you have.
Kailam?
Thailand. Thailand.
It's name Kailam in the Thailand.
Took one? Took one? My
We drinking now blend. What is this?
tradition, Thai tradition. Drink. Some blend.
Thailand people like it.
Ну это охуенно.
Nobody love me. Nobody love me. Nobody love me. You okay? Me? What's his name? You can write me tomorrow what you put in stuff because I don't remember. Nobody love me. Nobody.
No?
อย่างเลือดแบบตัวเล็กแล้วเป็นพาหะเขา